I just wanted to talk to you. It's cold out here.
Is this the face of a Halloween hoax or a small-town terrorizer? It all started when YouTube travel vloggers Lise and Rob of Lise and Rob's Travel Adventures were driving home in October 2021 after a day of leaf peeping. They were traveling on a sparsely populated road and caught a glimpse of this figure in the distance. The couple diverted their route, now actively looking out for individuals in the roadway. Lise had turned on her phone to record as well, with the clown now clearly visible. Again, altering their navigation, they ran into the Intimidator a third time. He seemed completely unavoidable, as if he was specifically looking for them. Although the man got within several feet of their car, the couple ultimately got home safely. Somewhat shaken, it wasn't until the next day, when they saw this on their new doorbell cam, that the fear really set in. This guy showed up at their home.
Hello? Guys, why'd you leave me? I just wanted to talk to you. It's cold out here. You know what I mean? Hey guys, you know what I mean?
Hear how it sounds like he is responding to someone inside?
What are you doing? No, I need to talk to you. Guys, you know what I mean? Hey guys.
He is not.
You know what I mean?
He is talking to himself.
I need to talk to you. Why'd you leave me out here?
Is he on drugs? Is he mentally ill?
Hey guys, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What would he have done if someone was home? Hopefully, for Lise and Rob's sake, we never find out.